Reposted way too many TikToks. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to delete all your TikTok reposts at once. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, click on this one icon given over here. Now, here you're gonna find the list of the videos that you have reposted. Now, how can you remove all these reposts at once? For that, you'll need to click on three bars given at the top right, navigate to the option settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option report your problem, click on the option chat with us. Now here you'll need to type in that you want to remove all of your repost. As you have tons of reposted videos, it's really time consuming to remove each video from the repost. So you can request TikTok support team to delete all the TikTok repost at once and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. Just have the conversation with TikTok support team and convince them to remove all the reposts at once. So at the moment, this is the only workaround. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.